Hello everyone. Today, I would like to share some tips with you on how to obtain free points for the Galatea service. I know, I didn't believe it either, but look at this, it actually works. Before recording this video, I tested the credibility and safety of the website, and everything works very well. As we can see, we are now on the Galatea website where I have created a test account. I have 0 points and the subscription is inactive. In this video tutorial, I will guide you through the steps you need to take to earn points for the service. So, let's get to the essence and go to the website. We go to the website, and we see that now we need to enter our email address, which we will use for free points on the site. It's very simple. I will enter mine and tell you what to do next. Now we click on the Connect button and we see that we need to enter the number of points we want to generate. I will enter 250 and click the Submit button. Now we need to wait for the system to connect to our account and add the free points. As we can see, it starts by connecting to the global server first, then connecting to the database, and so on. We need to wait for a moment. Great. Now we see a message saying, your resources have been created successfully. Then they ask us to share the page on Twitter or Facebook. I have already done that earlier, so I'm moving on. But one more very important thing. It is crucial to remember to create a new account, as it doesn't always work on old accounts. So, we click the Continue button, and now the most crucial task that we must perform to receive free points. It is necessary because if we don't complete the task, the website won't be able to verify us. Don't worry. Completing the task is free and takes no longer than 5 minutes. So, we click on the I'm not a robot button. Now, we will see a window, and we need to choose one task to complete. Most often, it will be downloading and installing an application depending on the country you are from. Keep in mind that on mobile devices, it may look a bit different, but the principle is the same. As you saw, I chose to install a well-known browser, which is Opera. We see a red download button, so we simply click on it to download. We now see information that the first step is to complete the download, the second is to run the installer, and the last one is to import settings and bookmarks. Very simple. So, we see that the Opera web browser is being downloaded. We need to wait for a moment as it takes up 120 millibytes, depending on the speed of your internet connection. As you can see, we still have 0 points, and the account is inactive. However, when we install the Opera browser and complete all the steps correctly, we will see 250 available points here. We see that the internet browser installer has been downloaded, so to avoid delays, I will install it on my device, and I'll be back to you shortly. Welcome back. I have already installed the browser and waited for a few minutes. Now let's refresh the page and see if the points have been added to the account. See? I now have 250 points available and my account is active. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial, and I would appreciate your subscription. Thanks for watching. See you.